because we need to defeat climate change, because we need to have a fair globalization and to defeat inequality, and because we need to make new technologies a force for good, independently of all other aspects that are relevant and in which we all need to work together, I believe that the youth must have a fundamental voice, but not only a fundamental voice, a fundamental role in the shaping of our common future. And I want to make the UN 75th anniversary the moment in which I will try to talk as little as possible and to listen as much as possible. And so I'm going to ask you one thing. Don't ask me any question. Give me your opinions, your ideas, and your proposals for the way we should try to shape a better web in the future. Thank you.